I'm going to make an arrangement on this in such a way that that arrangement can be taken out and kept somewhere else if you need. Otherwise, it remains on this. Arrange the flowers in this wooden container. It's a very stable one and it's quite heavy. Its thermocol is fixed in this, and I'm going to make a permanent arrangement on this, and this is going to be put inside that. These are the colors I'm going to use. This we'll keep it in the middle because we are going to make a arrangement. Since the pot is a round one, we'll make a round arrangement. These are orchids I am using, and these colors are so beautiful. It goes with all the decor and they are so pleasant to see. Once it is arranged, you will find this is very, very pleasant to see. These flowers are all silk flowers. You don't need to wash them, you don't need to take it out and clean them. You just have to have a small brush and just brush them, that's it. These flowers are the ideal ones to make bouquets and give it to your friends and families because this remains for a longer time. I'm going to use some combination of flowers now. They are shorter ones, they'll fill up the whole area. I'm going to use these colors now. These are a bunch. Instead of cutting them into pieces, you can always put the whole bunch and then arrange it wherever you want. We have one more branch, so I'm going to put that. It looks beautiful, but I think I'll do a little more filling on these sides at the base of this or the neck of this. I'm going to use another color with slightly darker color, and I'm going to cut these so that I can just fill up the neck of the bunny or the base of our arrangement. So this is the next thing I'm going to use this to complete our filling is this very, very delicate, little darker. These are leaves and slightly, it looks like a grass. This can be adjusted, the length of this can be adjusted. You can just bring it up and the whole thing can be on top, or you can just keep it at intervals. So look at this, you have lighter, darker colors of lavender and little bit of magenta colors, and there'll be little creamish tulip sort of thing which gives a very, very delicate look. And like I said, this grass which is there, the purple grass, very delicate ones. Overall, it's a very pretty arrangement and very soothing, and it goes with most of the interior decor, your curtains, your upholstery, everything. How do you like it? I would like to hear from you. Friends, please subscribe for my channel and please put your comments on this and like and share this video with your friends and family and support me. Thank you so much for watching.